I was busy recently watching Jenny's Easy Quilting Simplicity templates and how to use them. We have a great number of those workshops on our website, but she also rather dismissively talks about the mini templates. And it got me thinking that actually these work so well with 2.5-inch strips that maybe I should give them a go. So that's what I did this weekend. They come as a range of sweet little gifts. They come as keychain fobs, actually, and there is a mini one of quite a variety. And I've just got a couple here in the studio to share with you. The easy angle is the one that makes the half square triangle unit. And this works really beautifully, as I said, with a 2.5-inch strip of fabric. So what I was doing was I was taking my 2 strips of fabric, putting them right sides together, and cutting my units. So if you cut them right sides together, then you can trim them and take them straight to the sewing machine. So, but to keep myself safe, I'm going to just hold that here. I'm going to cut that up here. Just explode that a little bit. And at home, I can walk round this, but I'm just going to turn my little cutting mat, and I'm going to come up here. That keeps me safe. So I could now take that little pair of units straight to the sewing machine and sew them together. And here's another one that I can just hold on there. And if we sew them together, we're going to form this little unit here. It's really quick and easy. The nice thing about these is that if you're used to using metric, you don't have to think about it because the jelly rolls come as they are and you just cut up either side of your little template. They've got a whole variety of templates, as I said. My other favourite template for the moment is this one. This is the Tri-Rex. And again, I would take my 2.5-inch strip and I would cut this up either side here. This is this little piece here, so I'd cut up here, turn my board around, hold it nice and firm and cut across. This little one needs to be cut. I need 2 of this one. So I'm going to this time fold this so that they are, my fabric is right sides together, and I'm going to pop that on there. I'm going to cut up this side. Move that out of the, I can take that right off. Turn this round. Now, I know Jenny showed us on the bigger version, this has a little ear that comes off here. That's really, really important for when you come to sew. And that lives either side of here when you sew them together. And when that little notch of here, when you put that on there, you'll see that lives absolutely perfectly like that. So again, even if you're used to using metric, you don't have to worry about it. This is my new little block. This block works the same, except it's a 1/4 square triangle. I don't seem to have that one in the studio today, but it looks, it's a little easy template, and it cuts this way from your 2.5-inch strips, and you make the 1/4 square triangles. That's really important for that block. And we've got mini Dresden here, which, aren't they cute? Just look how cute they are when they're sewn together. And everything is perfectly shaped. It is just a treat. So if you got one of these free design books and you look through them, there's 50 blocks, all based on squares and half square triangle units. Just think how brilliant that scrap quilt could be with all your leftover 2.5-inch strips from the jelly roll. Or if you're a Dear Jane fan, you could use them for those too. So this little range of mini templates is really great little stocking filler, and I hope you'll give that a thought.